Hi kawa, how's it going, girl? Welcome back to the Hoy Mustafa story with me, Amy Hoy Mustafa and Eva Phone. Yay! So today in this video, we're going to do what? We're going to practice Faroese with Eva Phone. Yay! But in this video is going to be different because what we're going to do, Eva Phone, we're going to sing a song. Sing cha oit sanger. What kind of song? We're going to sing a simple Faroese children's song. So first, listen first. The song title is Vilt by Johan Kalsøy. You sing with me, Eva? Okay, let's sing. Listen first. Viltu, fara fimer hoim ui a human. Lutla suili says to ta. So what does it mean? If we translate it word by word, will to means will you. Although I did found in Sprotten, so if you go to sprotten.fo, it's a Faroese dictionary, so you cannot Google translate it. Will to, if you click the bullseyes icon, if you click Vilt Faroese English, you won't find it. But if you click the bullseyes, you will find the bending of Vilt. There's a lot of bending in the Faroese. And somehow, Vilt is the bending of Viltur. Hopefully, if there's a Faroese came across my video, you can help me to understand it more better in the comment section, please. So, Viltur means loss. So, if I directly translate it using Sprotten, I will accidentally translate it into lost you. Fara is going or go. Vi is with. Mer is me. Hoim is home. Ui in. A river. So go with me. Home in river. It does not make sense for now, but it will in the end. I'll show you. And then after that, the next one is you men. You is translated to yes. But isn't it yes is yeah? Yeah. Yes is you. Also yeah. So you can say you. It's more like hip. You man. You. So you is yes, men, but Voitla, little, soily. Soily is a soil is a trout fish, a salmon trout. There will be a picture, so you will understand what I'm saying about if you don't know what a trout is. Sesh is see, two is you, ta is them. Also, I did a Sprotten. I went to Sprotten and tried to Sprotten it word by word. And sesh is also a bendingar or a bending word of the word sera, which means injure or wound. And ta can also be mean toe. But it does not make sense if you translate the song to become the little trout hurt or injure your toe. But I believe it is more makes sense if we translate it like this. Will you, will you, will you, will you, will you go home with me through the river? Is that it? Instead of saying lost you, lost you, lost you, lost you, lost you, go home with me in the river. What do you think? And how about the second one? Yes, but, yes, but, yes, but, yes, but, yes, but, then you'll see the little trout. Or should it be yes, but, yes, but, yes, but, yes, but, yes, but, then the little trout hurt your toe? I don't think it makes sense. So now let's try to sing it together. Sing cho phim mama. Nói. Hả? Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Viltu, 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 fara, fimer, hoim, ui, oa. Human, 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 vuitla, suili, search to toa. This is a little trout. So, this is the trout fish. Looks like, I believe. I'm not really good in this fish, the world. But, yeah, that is it. Oh, and Vilt found my driving card. Well done. So, thank you for watching us. Thank you for being here. Thank you for singing with us. But hopefully, also click the subscribe button and thumbs up to support our video. And then, we switch us in our next video. Bye bye. Everyone, hey, can I say, we switch us.